Special edition and your AI couldn't copy. I'm leaving clues in the fitting room and it's hot tea. No, I'm not thinking about no exes, no, they miss me.
Hello everybody! Nandito kami sa napakagandang lugar na Plaza Ibarra. Ayan, and I will be hosting the 40th birthday celebration of Attorney Jade. Kaya, let's go! Tingnan natin! Everybody make some noise! Once again, you are here at Attorney Jade's milestone birthday celebration. A night full of music, fun, and talent. We invite each and everybody to please go back to your respective seats and settle down as the program is about to begin. I would like to welcome you all here at the beautiful place of Plaza Ibarra. And by the way, I am Anna G. Yeah, short for Ana Ganda. Ana Trabador, and I will be your host for tonight. Proud of ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause for the parents of Attorney Jade, Honorable Vice Mayor Elias Delector and Mrs. Marilu Delector. Asan po sila? Ayan, sir. Magandang gabi po. Yes, syempre, palinig naman ang energy. Galing sa mga pamilya mula sa father and mother side. Ayan, sa lahat ng relatives, kaway-kaway naman dyan. Sa lahat ng relatives, ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Ayan, kasama din natin ang ating mga kapamilya mula sa law school. Friends and batchmates! Nasaan ang ating mga friends and batchmates? Ayun sila. Of course, you also have our friends from Team Bobo. Kaway-kaway naman dyan, Team Bobo. Nasaan ang Team Bobo? Siya po ay mananalo at mag-uwi ng 10K! Grabe! Palakpakan nyo naman! Pinuhin nyo! Nag-attend lang kayo ng birthday, may chance pa kayo mga mag-uwi ng 10K. Palakpakan naman natin si Attorney Jade! Ladies and gentlemen, the start of the night! Make some noise and put your hands together for the birthday celebrator, Attorney Jade, together with the burlesque dancers.
I am a good girl.
Parang hindi naman 40th birthday ito, parang 80th birthday talaga. Ay, hindi talaga. Parang talagang 80th birthday. Napakaganda, napaka-sexy. Ano pa ba? Nasa iyo na ang lahat. Attorney Jade, kamusta ka naman? Ano ang iyong nararamdaman? If you're not afraid of